Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, what I'm going to show you is how to grow the snake plant from leaf cuttings. This plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, Saint George's sword of Barbara, viper's bowstring hemp, etc., was earlier known as Sansevieria trifasciata, now most commonly used binomial name is Dracaena trifasciata. I'll be planting the leaf cuttings to small containers like this, about 4-5 of them, and I have some pre-mixed potting soil here, which contains about 50% of sand and the required manures, garden soil, etc. Make sure that you're using small containers like this with adequate drainage holes, because it's a plant that needs the least of water. In winter, you can survive without water for about 2 months, and while watering, you have to make sure that the uh, topsoil is dry before you add more water, and it can get rotten if you are adding more and more water every day as you water other plants. This plant also is a very good indoor plant that can be kept in the darkest of places, because it can survive with the least of sunlight, and it's a very good air purifier which can make the atmosphere very clean for you as an indoor plant. This you can keep it as a outdoor plant or an indoor plant. The next step is to cut the leaves out of the plant and make them of shorter lengths like this. I'll cut it up and show it to you. See, I have cut in the required sizes a few pieces, as you can see here. Then I'll be applying some rooting hormone, natural, that is the aloe vera. The best thing is to apply the proper rooting hormone. You may sometimes be able to grow without any kind of rooting hormone, and add a little bit of potting mix, then apply this rooting hormone of aloe vera and place it in each of the containers. I'll do it, and so this is it. And about this potting mix, it contains a normal potting mix for other plants which I have made and kept, plus it was remixed with 50% sand. It already contains the required manures. A lot of sand is added just because it will be easy for the new roots to go through the soil, and also for you to take out the plant from the container. I'll fill the pots and show you how you can So this is it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to it. Please share the video, make comments, and please give me a like at least. So the last step of this video is to add some water. So this is it. Add some water. Now you have to keep the plants at a place where there is no direct sunlight for at least a week's time, by which the roots may start coming out. And in about 15 days, you'll find new growth or more roots in the plants. Make sure that you don't water every day. You have to water only when the topsoil is dry. Thank you for watching. Come back and bye until the next video. Thanks again.